I'm so flabbergasted, enthusiastic, that you always see water is reacting to every resistance with rhythm. It's all about rhythm. It's all about rhythm. So water is open regarding to forms. It's movement, it's flexible. It's always there where new forms come about. It's the being that holds back itself, doesn't want to express itself, but wants to help other beings to express themselves. And then you start thinking, what's that quality? What kind of gesture is it making? When you get connected with water, also in your feeling and your thinking, by observing how it behaves, I think you can't avoid recognizing that it somehow has to do with love. Water knows about love, I think.